In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video in CapCut. We'll build a smooth, seamless loop using duplicates, a quick opacity blend, and a compound clip so your video can repeat endlessly without a noticeable cut. Start by duplicating your clip. On the timeline, press Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows, then click and drag your original clip to create a copy. Keep the original on the bottom track and place the duplicate on a track above it. This gives us two layers to blend together. Next, align the second clip for the overlap. Move your playhead to about 3 seconds before the end of the first clip. Then drag the duplicated clip so its beginning lines up exactly with the playhead, stacked directly above the first clip. That 3-second overlap is where we'll create the transition. Now let's create the opacity blend on the top clip. Select the top clip, then in the panel go to Video, Basic, and Blend. Set opacity to 0% and add a keyframe at the start of the overlap. Move the playhead to just before the end of the bottom clip and set opacity to 100%. This builds a gradual opacity change across the overlap, helping the two clips merge visually as one continuous motion. We'll add one more piece to reinforce the loop. Go to the very beginning of your timeline, move the playhead about 3 seconds in, and make a cut. Grab that new 3-second segment and drag it so it aligns with the end of the second clip. Place it on a track above where it needs to blend. Fade this third clip in the same way. Select it, and at the start of the clip, set opacity to 0% with a keyframe. Move the playhead to just before the end of the clip and set opacity to 100%. This gives you a clean transition as the sequence rolls back toward the beginning. If anything shifted while trimming or dragging, take a moment to realign. Zoom in on the timeline and make sure the starts and ends of each clip line up with the keyframes so the opacity changes land exactly at the edges of the clips beneath them. When everything looks smooth, select all the clips, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. This bundles your layers into one easy-to-handle clip. To loop it, press Option or Alt, then click and drag the compound clip to duplicate it. Repeat as many times as you like for a seamless, endlessly looping video. That's it, you now have a seamless loop in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.